Okay, it's 6. You check, you open everything.
Open.
You hold it. Should I hold it? Wait. We look at our cards first. See? Yes. What's the number here? 6. And what color? Okay, you put down. Okay. 7. 7 yellow.
Do you have a 7 yellow?
Do you have 7?
Or a yellow?
Oh, very good.
Okay. Blue.
Blue. Ate, change to blue. Do you have blue? 4? You don't. So you pick up. Oh,
Up.
okay. No, that's enough. We only pick up 3. We don't have ate. We don't have blue and 4. Oh no! What's that? What's that? What number is this? What number is this? Okay, what number is this? Oh, then it's same.
You put
It's
it
the same.
down.
You put
You
this
put
one
it
because it's the
down.
same number.
Put it down.
Ay, very good. Oh, plus 2! Ate Miga is so mean. You have to pick up 2.
I don't have any red. Sorry.
You have to pick up 2 cards here because she pressed you. Oh no! Oh my gosh! That is, that is very, very good card. Okay.
No.
Ate, your turn because you plus 2 us. Another. Okay, then you have to pick. Oh my gosh. Ivana has really little hands. Should I hold it and then you help me? You help Ate. Okay, I hold it and then you help me choose. Okay?
Ivana's learning.
Okay, which number are the same here? Which number is the same?
Or color.
This one, right? And this one.